we got a comment from one of the videos we posted online from this TikTok user called Unique Han. As part of our goal to add impact to every traders out there, we have decided to create video tutorials in episodes for traders that are using their phone for market analysis. In today's episode, we are going to show you the simplest way to navigate the interface of the mobile version of TradingView and how you can also use it for market analysis. Even if you don't have a system, this video is going to help you to get started using your mobile phone. Let's get started. The first one is watch list tab. Is where you can add or remove pairs. For instance, let's try to add a pair. You click on the plus sign at the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, it's going to bring out a search bar where you can type the name of the pair you want to add. Let's assume you want to add NZD USD. Then you click on the plus button at the front of the NZD USD. Then automatically is going to add it under the watch list. Check the bottom of the watch list. You're going to see the NZD USD. Once you click on it, it's going to load it. Then you click on the rectangle box beside the all option. Once you click on it, it's going to load the chart of NZD USD. When you click on the chart tab at the bottom section of the TradingView, you are going to see time frame. Click on the daily time frame. This option is where you can switch between the time frames. If you want to go to 1 week time frame, click on it, go back, click on 4 hours time frame, click on 1 hour time frame. Depends on the time frame that you want to use, but I love to use daily and then weekly for my own analysis. Click on the drawing tool. Is going to bring out all the drawing tool for market analysis. Number one, we have the trend line sessions. Anyone you want to use, you just click on it. Then the second one, we have Gann and Fibonacci. Just glance through everything and pick the one you want to use for market analysis. The next one is the pattern. The next one is the forecasting and measurement. The next one is geometric shapes. The second to the last is annotation. The last one is visual. Icon beside the drawing tool is the icon where you can add indicator. You can make use of alert, bar replay, template, chart tab, object tree, and the rest. Let's say you want to add indicator on your trading view, then you click on the indicator. It's going to bring a search page where you can type the name of the indicator you want to use. For instance, let's assume you want to use moving average. Type the name of the indicator. Is going to bring it out. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to add it automatically on your screen. Next option is alerts, but this option is meant for premium users only. If you are using free version of TradingView, you will not be able to use this option. And then bar replay is also meant for premium users alone. Then template is when you can save your settings you have done on TradingView. How to set up the interface of your TradingView. On the price section at the right hand side, press and hold is going to bring out a drop down menu. At the bottom, click on more settings, then you click on back button. Then it's going to show you another page. Click on symbol. This is where you change the color of the candlestick. If you don't want color green, you can change it to blue. Change this one to blue as well. Or your bearish candlestick, if you don't want color red, you can use black. You can decide to use any color for your own candlestick. Then press OK and it's going to change the color of the candlestick. How to change the color and the interface of the TradingView on your mobile phone. Tap and hold the price at the right hand side. It's going to bring out a drop down menu. Click on more settings, then click on the back button, then go to canvas. Under the canvas, the first option there is background. Then just use solid, don't use gradient. Use solid. At the front of the solid, you are going to see a box that represents color. Click on it. It's going to bring out more colors where you can change the color of your TradingView background. There are some traders, they love to use black. You can choose black, press OK. It's going to change the color of your trading view. The next option under the canvas section is grid lines. At the front of the grid lines, you are going to see vertical and horizontal. You choose the vertical and horizontal. Let's say you want vertical and horizontal line to appear on your screen. You click on the color box in front of the vertical and horizontal line. Then you choose the color you want to use. Let's say you want to use color black. Then increase opacity to 100%. Click on the next color box, make use of color black, or you increase the opacity to 100%, or you can change the color to blue. So when you are done, click on OK. Automatically you are going to have grid lines on your screen. Let's go back to the settings, and if you don't want the grid lines anymore, just go back to the same process. Reduce the opacity to 0%. Reduce the opacity to 0%. Click OK. You are not going to see it on your screen. That is the end of today's video.